Hey everyone, I'm on a Eurotour, having lots of fun, checking out a bunch of different shops. Today we're at Crimaz, so like and subscribe. Okay, this is one of the coolest things I've seen in a really long time. Crimaz came up with a really nice bolt-on disc brake setup for your vintage bike. This will fit on a VLB, a GL, any of the 8-inch wheel bikes. It can fit on one of your earlier bikes too, on a VBB if you're going to be doing an 8-inch to 10-inch conversion. This is a great setup for that as well too. So it starts out with your original swing arm. You strip it all down to nothing, leaving your hub in place. Pull back all the bars and everything. Take out all the brake assembly pieces. Everything needs to be stripped down just like this, okay? There's an adapter plate that comes with it, and this is what is going to hold the caliper. There's a neat little adapter piece that goes through the old brake cam hole, like so. And what we do is we start out with, we go and we're gonna drop this guy in like so. Okay, and now that we can pivot, we're gonna put this pin back in a little bit so it holds. Okay, like so. Excellent. Now we flip this guy back. We put in our adapter, like so. Flip this guy forward, hold it in place. Put our attaching screw like this. And we're good to go. And as you can see, it's a nice clean piece. They have it painted in silver, nicely machined and everything, has a great detail to it, and it's not super in your face and obvious. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the hub. So the hub is made from an OEM style drum, and as you can see, it's just like a regular Sprint drum. They're using FA Italia, Italian made pieces with this adapter plate on the back. Now don't worry about this adapter plate. This will hide inside your rim. You're not going to see this. All you're going to see is the wheel sitting on top like this. You're going to see your drum sticking through just like your old Sprint had, or like your old GL, even P Series has the same type drum. It's just going to stick through like so. And then the disc is going to actually set itself up on top of here. So this is all just dry fit. So make sure that when you're putting it together for real, you have the Woodruff key marks. Make sure you line them up. We're not going to use them for right now since this is just for display. Drop it together like so. Make sure you put your washer back in like you're supposed to. Put the nut back on, tighten it up and torque it just like you normally would. Then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to put the disc rotor on. It's a little tricky to put the disc rotor on. You got to kind of slip everything through. So what we're going to do first is we're going to, as you can see, this has to slip through like so, and it's going to line up and bolt down. So we're going to take the caliper and we are going to slip the caliper through like so to make sure that it's on. Then we're going to put it towards one of the centers like so, and we have to get these two pinholes onto those pins. Loop through like this. It's a little tricky, but it's not too bad. And then we're going to go and we're going to rotate the disc around to where we are back on our ears like so, okay? It comes with all the hardware. It comes with this beautiful hardware here to bolt up. And as you can see, everything all set up and ready to go. It's going to sit on your bike like so. And the wheel's going to be on top of this, covering the adapter plate. You're going to see your disc like this, and the caliper drops in just like that.